Hello everyone, in this vlog I will walk you through the most interesting and beautiful places that you can find in Barcelona. Some of them are very popular and most likely you already know them, but I will also introduce you to some hidden treasures, so make sure you watch till the end. Since it is not my first time in this city, I wanted to visit my most favorite places as well as to find something interesting I haven't seen yet. Probably you all know La Rambla, undoubtedly the most famous street in Barcelona. Stretching from Port Vell to Plaza de Catalunya in the center, La Rambla offers a bevy of shops, flower stands, artworks and attractions. The street is usually very busy, full of locals and tourists. It's a great spot to visit to experience a part of the vibrant scene in Barcelona. However, you have to be aware of pickpocketers, since there are plenty of them here also. Just off La Rambla is the biggest market in Catalonia with more than 300 stalls and a surface area of 2,583 square meters called La Boqueria. A fantastic market to go and have a wander around just to see all the fruit and vegetables and colorful way of the stalls are laid out. It's a very busy place no matter what time of the day or the evening. You can go there and get some delicious food to take away, eat on the spot or bring home with you. Port Vell is a waterfront harbor in Barcelona and part of the port in Barcelona. Nice place to walk around. From Port Vell I took a bus and went to La Barceloneta beach. Located in the traditional fishing district, this is one of the Barcelona's oldest and best loved beaches. Since it's one of the most popular beaches in the city, in the summer it gets very crowded. There are many activities as sports, swimming pool, paddle and many free activities along the beach. It seems you are in Miami. The beach has beautiful promenade as well. If you like this video so far, don't forget to press like button and follow the channel. The next day I decided to go a bit out of the city to the beautiful small town called Sitges. The most easy way to reach it is by the train. You can take it from Barcelona Sants train station. It took only a half hour for me to get there. However, I was not very lucky today and the weather was cloudy and a bit cold. So I couldn't spend time on the beautiful beach of Sitges, but instead I walked around the town and admired its beautiful landscape and architecture. Too bad I didn't have time to come here at night because Sitges is well known for its nightlife. It has been referred as a Saint-Tropez of Spain. Also, its annual Carnival festival is utterly epic. A countercultural touchstone, Sitges is lively and very LGBT friendly. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to press like button if you enjoyed this video and follow the channel to see the next episode and the other traveling videos.